Imagine feeling healthier. Could it be that you have sick mitochondria? Allow me to explain. Let me show you this picture right here. What you're looking at here, the function of mitochondria is so important that mitochondria can take up 25% of the cell volume. And in each cell, there can be roughly between 1,000 and 2,500 mitochondria in each individual cell. So mitochondrial health is very, very critical for you to be well. What I want to show you right here in this picture is of a nerve. Now you can see all the red arrows. Those are mitochondria. So now imagine if your mitochondria are sick and you have sick mitochondria in your nervous system, in your brain and in your peripheral nervous system. What kind of symptoms could you have? You could have brain fog, you could have brain fatigue, you could have mild cognitive impairment, you could have feeling of malaise and not feeling good all the time because you have sick mitochondria in your nervous system. This is why mitochondria are so critical. Now in this next picture, what I want to show you is a healthy mitochondria. Now on the left, you can see that mitochondria is very, very healthy and it's plump and it's full of ATP. And in the green circle, it says produces lots of energy. So healthy mitochondria produce lots of energy. Now, if we go all the way to the right, the red arrow, and you can see that mitochondria is really damaged. It has a lot of oxidative stress. Now, in the red circle, it says produces a lot of harmful free radicals. So what does that mean? That means poor mitochondria, poor ATP, and you are not going to be feeling well. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.